Hello everyone. Today we are going to study mathematics of class 11th ISC syllabus, and this is the book which I am following. But moreover, if your concepts are clear, you will be able to solve any question of that concept from any book. So let's get started. The topic of the day is linear inequalities in two variables. So we are going to solve system of inequalities. Earlier, if you have observed that we have already studied linear inequations in class 10th also, but for one variable. Now we are going to do it in two variables in a graphical way. So let us start. So the question is, graph the solution set of each system in a coordinate plane. Now the system of equations are given x less than 2, y greater than minus 1. So first of all, we will consider them as equation in place of inequation. I have replaced less than with equal to, and this is y equal to minus 1. Now I am going to plot these two lines on a graph paper, and then we will see the area covered by the following lines. I have constructed coordinate axis. Now first of all, the very first equation was x equal to 2. We are going to search where is x equal to 2 on x-axis plus 2. So the construction will be parallel to y-axis, and we will name this line as x less than 2 because now we are going to plot less than 2. Now see, x less than 2, try to put 0 here in the place of x. While substituting 0, this inequation is true, which means this particular point 0 has to be present in the area shaded. Since this is a straight line, the two areas where it can be is either left side or right side. But since 0 is satisfying the inequation and 0 is here, so therefore the shade will be on the left. So we will make arrows like this. Now second line is y equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is here. So the line will be parallel to x-axis. This line is y greater than minus 1. I have not written equal. Y greater than minus 1. Again substitute 0. 0 greater than minus 1. Yes, this is true. And since this is true, that means the shade should contain 0. So the shade will be upwards, not downwards. Now you can clearly observe the common area. Here the shade is to the left, here is to the up. So the common area where the shade is supposed to be is this, and this is going to be the answer. Second observation is, since the inequations are less than and greater than, they are not less than equal to, so the points on the line will not be included. So in that case, the line should be dotted in place of complete. So in between we may rub or make the dots like this. Here also it is greater, so the points on the line will not be included. So make it look like dotted line. Either you may rub it in between, or initially only you can draw it like that, the dotted lines. So this is the required solution, the shaded area. Now let's come to a big question where we have actually two variables in each and every inequation. So again we are going to consider all the inequations with equal to sign as an equation. X minus y equal to 3, x plus 5y equal to 15. Now I am going to make a table of 3 points per line. So one point may be 0 when x is 0, y will be 3, y 0, x is 3, and suppose if I have put x equal to 1, y will be 2. So the sum is going to be 3. Similarly, for the other two lines, 3 points per line is required minimum. So these are the tables, calculation part I have done. The 3 tables are formed. Now first of all I am going to plot the points of one line, shade it, find the region of the shade. Okay, and also notice that in all the 3 lines we have greater than equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So we are going to draw a full-fledged line, not a dotted one. So let us plot it on the coordinate axis. Alright, let us start plotting. X 0, y 3, 0, 3. Highlight your points properly. 3, 0 here. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Once you are done with the single line, do not move to the next line immediately. First plot. Okay, so no dotted lines, complete lines should be there. And immediately write the equation of line, which is x plus y greater than equal to 3 on the line. Okay, now let us substitute the point here in the rough only. If I substitute the point origin here, greater than equal to 3, x plus y greater than equal to 3. If I put the point 0 plus 0, this is clearly not true, this is false. And since origin is not satisfying the given inequation, therefore in the shade we cannot include a origin point. Origin we take for easy calculations. You can take any point in this area. Suppose we can take 1, 0, we can take 1, 1, nothing will satisfy. If we take 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 is also not greater than equal to 3, false. So any point in this region will not satisfy. So the region will be shaded upwards. Arrows will be upwards. Now let us come to the next point, next line points. 0, minus 3, 3, 0 will be here only, and 4, 1, 4, 1. So these are the 3 points. Let us join them. Always join using a scale. And the inequation is x minus y less than equal to 3. So x minus y less than equal to 3. Now let us satisfy origin here. 0 minus 0 less than equal to 3, which is true. 0 is less than 3. So that means we have to include 0. So shade should be upwards or downwards? Yes, you are right. Shade should include 0. So it should be upwards everywhere. So all the points above the line will satisfy. Coming to the third line, let us plot the points. 0, 3, again the point is common. 10, 1 is here. 5, 2, 5 and 2. So okay, so 10, 1 is this point, not this one. That was a mistake. 10, 1, 5, 2 and 0, 3, this point. Joining them with the scale, writing the equation x plus 5y greater than equal to 15. Now again let us satisfy 0, origin here. 0 plus 5 into 0 will be equal to 0 only, which is not true. This is also false. And since this is also false, so we cannot include origin. So the shade will be upwards. Okay. Now the time to see the common area. This whole line, the shade is here, upwards this side. So this is also not a common place because the shade is upwards for this particular line. And so the shade will be this portion. This is the required solution of the given system of inequations. So now I hope I have made the concept clear. With this I am ending the video. Good luck for your studies.